Do you think you're living your life to the fullest? You probably wondered about something like that before, and it's normal to question if you're doing everything you can in your life. Everyone wants to live a fulfilling life, and no one wants to feel like they're wasting their life. If you've been wondering if you're wasting your life, I will go over 5 signs to watch out for and how to fix them. 1. You work too much. This might be controversial, but keep watching and I'll explain. Look, work is an essential part of life, and having a career you enjoy can be a great source of fulfillment, but there are 2 reasons why working too much is a sign that you're wasting your life. The first reason is that when you don't have a good work-life balance, you won't have a fulfilling social or personal life. If you spend so much time working in a day, you won't have other hours to do other things that matter to you. Work is just one source of fulfillment. It can't make you fulfilled if that's the only thing you have going for you. However, if you have to work all those hours to make ends meet, I understand that this isn't something you can quickly change. Once you're in a better monetary position or you have higher paying skills, you can hopefully work less hours and spend more time doing other things. The second reason is that you might be throwing yourself into work as a distraction to avoid facing your emotions. I've seen people work a lot harder and longer after they go through some negative event like a breakup. They end up successful after all the effort they put in, but they are still not fulfilled. They still have some lingering feelings of unhappiness because they never face their feelings. If you find that you're using work as a distraction, I suggest you do some self-reflection or even go to therapy. Do what you need to get rid of your emotional baggage so you can live your life to the fullest and enjoy the fruits of your labor. 2. You overanalyze too much. I just mentioned how self-reflection can be helpful, but like most things, doing too much of something is bad. Self-reflection can be great for helping you learn from your mistakes, understand yourself better, and be a better person. Things become problematic when you overanalyze too much. If you spend too much time overthinking things, it will prevent you from living a life to the fullest. When you're thinking over every little thing, you won't be able to be in the present moment and enjoy life. Also, when you overthink, you'll find that you often don't take action and do what you want to do. People commonly refer to this as paralysis by analysis, and it's not a pleasant experience. To fix this, try to find a good balance between analyzing and just trusting your instinct and taking action. 3. You feel like something is missing in your life. If you ever had that feeling that something is missing in your life, chances are that you are missing something from the 4 pillars of a good life. The 4 pillars are health, wealth, love, and happiness. Health refers to your physical health. When you eat healthy, exercise often, and sleep enough, you will be fulfilled. Wealth refers to your career and your savings. When you earn enough so that you can save money to invest and to enjoy yourself, you will be fulfilled. Love refers to your relationships. When you have good relationships with your family, friends, and significant other, you will be happy. Happiness refers to your mental health and personal life. When you're taking care of your mental health and doing things that make you happy, you will live a good life. Once you understand the 4 pillars better, you should be able to deduce what you're missing from your life. Once you know what you're missing, you can take action to fill that hole. 4. You feel like you're not living your own life. Everyone, from your friends to your family, have expectations for you. Those expectations come from good intentions, but they can end up shaping your life. Your parents might have told you to go into a certain career because it pays well and it's stable, and you listen to them because it's sound advice, only to find that you hate it. Maybe your friend group is full of outspoken people, and you're labeled as a quiet one, when you're outspoken yourself, but you just happen to speak less than others. When you're living a life that doesn't resonate with who you are, things feel off. You feel like life is going by, and you're just wasting your life. To fix this, you will have to make some big changes. Depending on where you are in life, you will have to get a new career, find different friends, or just talk with your family about what you really want. If this feels scary, it's normal, because after all, you will be making a huge decision that will change your life. 5. You feel like you don't know what to do in life. This isn't a sign that you're wasting your life, but if you felt this way, it shows that you care about living your life to the fullest. You know you want to live a good life instead of being swept along. Not knowing what you want to do is a perfectly normal feeling. The best thing you can do when you don't know what you want is to experience as many things as you can. Don't be afraid of things going wrong. Good experiences are great for telling you what you like, but bad experiences are just as good because they tell you what you don't like. You'll learn what you like and don't like from trying all kinds of new things. Eventually, you'll stumble on the things that feel right. Try doing the things that feel right to you more to confirm that you really want to go in that direction. Have you ever experienced any of these signs? Leave a comment below and check out the video shown on the end screen on how to stop overthinking if that's something you are struggling with.